Okay. She's a 7-month-old lady who really likes the scratching pole. Yeah, I know. I know.
She has the most beautiful face.
Okay. Okay. Okay, where are you going?
Wherever I want.
Yeah, I'm a girl, you can hold me. Okay.
No, you can't go up there. Sorry, buddy.
But she's trying. She's trying. She can do whatever she wants because she's pretty. You know, this is how things work. You know, when girls are pretty, they do everything they want. You know, it's the
true is
case
that,
here.
Yeah, she's a.
I like her because she's playful and sweet and moody at the same time. That's my kind of girl, actually.
Since she doesn't have the right coloring, how much would she go for?